Here are 10 facts about earthquakes in California. California is located in the Ring of Fire, the most seismically active region in the world. The San Andreas Fault is the most famous fault in California, but it is not the only one. There are over 15,000 faults in California, and many of them are capable of producing large earthquakes. The largest earthquake ever recorded in California was a magnitude 9.0 earthquake that occurred in 1906. This earthquake caused widespread damage in San Francisco and the surrounding area. The average magnitude of an earthquake in California is 2.5. However, there are many smaller earthquakes that occur each year that are not felt by people. The most active time for earthquakes in California is during the winter months. Earthquakes can cause a variety of damage, including structural damage to buildings, landslides, and liquefaction. Liquefaction is a process where loose, saturated soil behaves like a liquid during an earthquake. This can cause buildings and other structures to sink or collapse. Earthquakes can also trigger tsunamis, which are large waves that can cause extensive damage along coastlines. There is no way to predict when or where an earthquake will occur. However, scientists can use data from past earthquakes to estimate the probability of an earthquake happening in a particular area. California has a number of programs in place to help reduce the risk of earthquake damage. These programs include building codes that require new buildings to be earthquake resistant, and public education campaigns to teach people how to prepare for earthquakes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please like, comment, and subscribe.